fellow creators, small business hustlers, and lone wolves of entrepreneurship? Are you trying to figure out how to give your creator business that extra oomph? Well, hold on to your butts, because I've got a novel idea for you. Publish a book! Forget about the traditional avenues of business growth, because nothing says crushing it like slapping your name on a literary masterpiece. And today on Lulu University, we're going to talk about why an entrepreneur like you would want to make a book, the steps involved, and share some examples of entrepreneurs already doing it. Stay tuned. Why would a content entrepreneur like yourself want to publish a book? Because books help you establish yourself as a thought leader and subject matter expert. Nothing says I'm an expert on the subject like writing a book on the subject. Plus, writing a book can help you establish your commitment to your field and expertise. A book can help you expand your professional network. So a big part of writing and promoting a book is getting in front of new audiences and making connections. And so that can inherently provide some new opportunities for you. That might include being invited to be a guest on a podcast, contributing an article to a website that aligns with your expertise, or being asked to speak at an event, schools, or local community centers. Think of a book as a next level business card or lead magnet. We've all been to events or conferences and you see a trash can filled with business cards. But what kind of monster would throw away a book? A book can help you build and grow your community. So publishing a book can help you provide useful and valuable information to your audience that you already know they're interested in. Building on rented land can be a scary thing. Having 1 million TikTok followers is awesome, but what if one day the government decides to shut that down? By publishing a book, you're giving your audience another way to connect with you outside of the whims of social media. A book can also help you earn additional income. Let's be honest, making money is probably a big part of the reason that you want to turn your content creation hobby into a business. Books can help with that. We asked content creators why they wanted to publish a book, and 59% said to make additional income, 24% said to grow their audience, and 17% said to market themselves or their business. Content creators, like yourself, put a lot of time and energy into creating videos, blog posts, articles, podcasts, websites, build out email lists, the list goes on. But how do you monetize that content? With a book! A book is a great opportunity to create extra revenue with the content you already have. So how do you go from idea to author? Here's a simplified outline on how to self-publish your book. First up is research the market. So you want to start by understanding who your audience is and what they like to read, and then make that thing. And as a content creator, you probably already know what your audience likes, and if so, hooray! And if not, take the time to figure it out. Next up is write your book. So if you're starting from scratch, this may mean also creating a writing habit and developing a way to write consistently. If you're using content you already have, that's great. Be sure to give your audience what they want in a way that fits well between two covers. Next is edit and revise your book. It is absolutely critical that your book goes through at least one round of formal editing. We recommend that you hire a professional, but of course, the choice is ultimately up to you. If you would like to hire a pro, you can go to lulu.com/partners. Next up is choose a self-publishing platform. Every platform is going to be a little bit different, but we recommend looking for one that has an option for you to sell your books directly to your audience. You want to keep all the profit and data that you can. And I've heard that Lulu is rather good. The next step is format your files. So if you're publishing with Lulu, you will need a PDF for your interior file and one for your cover file, and you'll need to have it formatted to the specifications of your book. This is another thing you may want to hire some professional help for. Next up is design your book cover. Probably not a lot of explanation needed here, but again, this is something that we highly recommend you hire a professional for. Or maybe you have a subscription to MS Paint. Either works. Then it's time to publish. When you publish, order a proof. I know it's exciting and you want to sell the books, and you can, but order a proof copy. The proof is in the proof. Look at the proof, make sure everything looks good, and then if it does, make your book available for sale. As promised, here are some examples of published content entrepreneurs. First up is Katie Brinkley. Katie is a social media strategist and speaker. She recently published The Social Shift, marketed as a guide for business owners and marketers seeking to leverage social media for sustainable success. Katie is an expert in the field of social media marketing and further establishes herself as a thought leader in that space by publishing her very own book. Next up is Austin Church. Austin is a writer, brand strategist, and business coach. Austin's new book, Free Money: 9 Counterintuitive Moves for Life-Changing Freelance Income, is a pricing and money mindset guide for freelance creatives. Austin took his extensive experience as a freelancer and turned it into valuable content to help other freelancers earn more income while enjoying more freedom. Last but not least is Joe Pulizzi. Joe is the founder of multiple startups, podcaster, and best-selling author. Joe just came out with his latest book, The Content Entrepreneur, a comprehensive guide for serious content creators. Known as the godfather of content marketing, Joe enlists other great minds in this space to co-author a book that teaches you how to go from content creator to content entrepreneur. And that's how a content entrepreneur such as yourself would go about publishing a book. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Head to lulu.com to get started on your novel idea today, and we'll see you next time.